Monica. Make this. Monica. Hey. Make the sound. Yeah, she likes hanging out at the chair when her brother's eating his dinner. Can you say, hi everybody?
Hi.
Say hello, I miss you.
Hello. I miss you.
Very good. And what else? I love you.
I love you.
Say it out loud.
I love you.
Good job, buddy. Monica. Monica. Hi. This is what we go through every day. You gonna take another bite for your food? Yeah, so we can go take a bath and go night-night? One more bite. Come on.